This is my dad's homemade, what do you call it?
Homemade cleanup sluice. Toolbox sluice.
Everything fits in here and it runs on how many gallons of water?
2 gallons of water.
So you have a 5-gallon pump?
I think it's a 265-gallon fountain pump.
Okay, and then he has his hose going up here.
1/2-inch hose, 1/2-inch pipe.
To here where it is dispensed. And this stuff goes down there, gets a little more wet because it's running off. Doesn't seem more. A lot of things would keep on moving.
Some of these I didn't classify very well.
Yeah. It works very nicely. There's like, this isn't 180. This is like a little more, right?
For what, buddy?
For this turn.
You know, I'm not even sure, buddy.
Oh. So a little more than 180 here. And maybe a little less. Maybe, yeah, still a little more. And basically the gold goes, if it manages to skip all of this, it'll go through there, through the turn, and he patched it up so the gold cannot get stuck in there. And then when he does a cleanup, doesn't all the mats come out?
Nope, on this one, once we're done, we just take and we rinse everything into one pan.
Okay.
Whatever stays in here, we can take it apart and just rinse it into a pan.
This is his toolboxes, and this is a mystery.